everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I actually have a collab for you guys. So I met this really cool girl on Twitter and we got to talking and we just decided to collaborate. We have kind of similar channels. She does like makeup, chit chat videos, all that type of things. Her username is WildRussianChic, and I'm gonna go ahead and link her down below so you guys can go check it out. Our collab is actually like a day and night type of look. So she did the day look on her channel and I'm doing the night look. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. I ended up using basically just the Too Faced gold chocolate because I'm obsessed with it at the moment. So I kind of decided to create a look using that, and my video is super late because I had to kind of change my setup because it was just not working out where I had set it up in the house. So I had to move it to a better location that was more accessible to me. So I haven't been able to film because of the changes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Again, don't forget to go ahead and check her out. I believe she also has Instagram and Twitter, so I'll link her down below, and check out her channel and subscribe if you like her video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give this video a like and comment down below any video suggestions. Other than that, let's get into the video. I already have foundation and my brows on, so we're going to go ahead and start with eyeshadow. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and the first color that I'm using is Creme Brulee, and I'm applying this all over my crease for a transition shade. And then for my lid color, we're going to be using the shade Old Money. I really love this kind of yellowy orange type of shade. It's beautiful. So I'm applying that all over my lid. To intensify my crease a little bit, I'm using the color Cocoa Truffle in my crease as well, with a more pointed brush, just to have a more specific place that I'm applying. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out a little bit. So we're going to add more and then blend and then add some more. Now we're going to be using the darkest shade in the palette. This is a black. It is called Decadent. And we're going to be applying this in the outer corner of our eyes. And we are going to apply little by little and intensifying just to get to the point where we like it and are comfortable with. So I wanted it kind of dark, so I did have to go over it a few times. Now I'm just going in with my matte liquid liner by NYX, my favorite eyeliner of all time. And I'm just starting from the middle of my eye and creating kind of a dramatic wing. Mascara, I'm going to be using the Colossal, which is my favorite mascara, and I am loyal to it. And just applying a few layers just to get kind of a dramatic lash. You can also apply lashes, it is up to you. We're going to go in with our Tarte Shape and Tape Concealer, which is my favorite concealer right now, and just applying this underneath my eyes in a triangle motion just to kind of bring light to my face. And then we're going to go ahead and just start blending it out with my beauty blender. I started lining my waterline just to create a little bit more darkness in my lower lashes, so I went ahead and did that. Now I went and set my concealer with my Airspun loose powder and just applying that everywhere where I applied concealer just to set it in place, like I said. Now I'm just grabbing the same brush that I used earlier to kind of smoke out my lash line. Then I'm going to go in with my Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer and contour with that. I love this bronzer. It's so warm, it's so pretty. Totally recommend it. For blush, I went ahead and used Feisty by Tarte. I just forgot to do the close-up, so I'm so sorry. For highlight, I'm using the Nicole Guerriero Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm using the color 143, and just applying that on my cheekbones. It looks really, really pretty, and it's very dramatic, so it's great for night looks. Now I'm just coating my lower lashes with more mascara just so the look looks even more darker and dramatic. For lips, I'm using Dose of Colors Knock on Wood. I was going to use a dark color, but I opted to go with more of a neutral just because I'm more comfortable like that. But you can always switch it up. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.